अरे भाइयों बहनों, दूसरों की बहनों भी quiet please, thank you. You are getting this initial called DBS, which is Dimpled Blockbuster Star. Okay. Now the amount of awards that you're collecting.
Only you can come up
I
with.
swear, it's the truth. DBS, Dimpled Blockbuster Star.
Do you all approve of this?
DBS, do you approve? Who put your hand up first? Who all approves?
2 hands.
Now, Mr. Dani sir, come on. Okay, you picked up awards, critics, popular. In this whole year, there's a strong feeling you'll pick up all the awards. Are you buying a new apartment to keep those awards? What's the strategy?
I can keep them in the Magna office considering
Yeah,
it's
sure,
like
we got
right
enough
next
space.
door. Buying a new apartment, no, yeah. I'll manage in my small little apartment. I'll manage.
Wow. Okay, so much of appreciation, hits, blockbusters happening. Which Jyotishi or Pandit you met who gave you this lucky touch?
It's my own touch.
Whoa! Can you touch us also so we give hits too?
I'll think about it.
All right, we're going to open up the floor because you got limited time. So, left side pe pehla question, put your hands up, give a lovely smile and you can ask a question.
दीपिका, आपने सारे अब तक जितने भी अवार्ड्स हुए सारे अवार्ड्स आपने बटोर लिए हैं, तो आपको लगता है
What's that word? आपने?
बटोर लिए।
बटोर लिए।
आपको लगता है आगे वाले जितने भी अवार्ड फंक्शन आने उसमें आप कॉन्फिडेंट कि आपको मिल जाएंगे सारे अवार्ड्स?
No, yeah. You know, I think there have been some really nice performances. Just like last year, I think there have been some really nice performances this year as well. मैं actually थोड़ा disappointed हूँ कि all my films released in the same year, whether it was ये जवानी है दीवानी, Chennai Express, Ram Leela, I actually wish that they were all sort of spaced out, and I gave the audience a little more breathing time. But yeah, it's been a special year. It's been great. Not just box office wise, but even in terms of the appreciation that I got in these films. And but you can't take awards for granted. Yes, we all like to be rewarded for our work and like to be appreciated, but until the award is in your hand, you never know. So
आपको क्या लगता है कौन है आपके कंपैरिजन इस ईयर में?
I think there's a lot. I think Nimrit was fantastic in the Lunchbox. I think Sonakshi was very good in Lutera. For me, these are the 2 performances that I really liked this year. I think Sonam was really good in Ranjana.
Okay, question right पे पहले. सर जी आप अच्छा.
एक साल के अंदर अनगिनत फिल्में और हर तरह के अवार्ड आपको हर तरह से अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं. आप किस तरह से देखते हैं इस पूरी कामयाबी को? आप इस कामयाबी से आपको डर लगता है या नर्वसनेस ज्यादा हो जाती है? डर इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ कहीं ये चला ना जाए.
No, yeah. You know, I think if anything, it's given me. I feel liberated. I think हमको कभी डर के काम नहीं करना चाहिए. जो भी मैं कर रही हूँ इतने सालों से मैं दिल से करती हूँ. And कामयाबी के साथ I think एक you feel a kind of freedom. You feel कि अच्छा आगे जाके मैं कुछ और भी कर सकती हूँ, कुछ अलग कर सकती हूँ. लोग मेरा काम अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं. जैसे मेरी अगली फिल्म जो है बहुत ही अलग है. शायद कोई एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करेगा, बट इट्स अ शॉर्ट फिल्म, इंग्लिश पिक्चर है. तो लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि ये कमर्शियल हीरोइन एक छोटी सी इंग्लिश पिक्चर में क्या कर रही है. बट आई थिंक आई थिंक मैं ज़्यादा सोचती नहीं. मैं बहुत दिल से काम करती हूँ. मैं बस होमी के साथ काम करना चाहती थी और दैट वाज गोइंग टू बी हिज नेक्स्ट फिल्म. एंड आई न्यू दैट 1 month in Goa I was going to have a great time. So I don't think too much about my work. Even the films that I did last year in 2013, I didn't think about them. Neither did I know when they were going to release. I just went there, worked every single day, worked very hard. And when these films release are really beyond your control, or the fate of those films for that matter.
अरे एक करके बाबा. अच्छा.
ऑफिशियल हीरोइन नंबर 1 क्या आप अपने आप को हीरोइन नंबर 1 मानती है? क्योंकि
Same guy's asking question, huh?
ऑफिशियल हीरोइन नंबर 1
मैं खुद अपने आप को नहीं मानती. ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है जब लोग कहते हैं. And I think that's the best kind of validation that you can get जब when people tell you that. अच्छा तो ज़रूर लगता है. But I hope that it's more about the work and not necessarily about the numbers that the films are doing. मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि box office, I think collections is not something that I value as much as films that have repeat value. I think last time भी मैंने यही कहा था. For me, the sign of a successful film is a film that has repeat value. 10 साल बाद, 20 साल बाद, like how we refer to Kabhi Kabhi, we refer to Sholay, we refer to Mughal-e-Azam. For me, those are iconic films, and I hope that the films that I've been a part of end up becoming like that.
Wow. Okay, एक second. The lady on the left, देखिए मैं आपको चांस दे रहा हूँ. Wow.
Thank you so much.
Hey, God bless you.
Happy New Year, Deepika.
Same to you.
जिस तरह से आपको पता है कि स्टारडस्ट ने रणबीर और कटरीना की जो पिक्चर्स पब्लिश करने के बाद इंडस्ट्री में जो धमाल मच गई थी, थोड़ा स्कैर्ड है, डरे आप कि आप यहाँ आने के लिए कि कहीं नेक्स्ट नंबर आपका ना हो जाए.
मेरे और दीपिका के पिक्चर्स फ्लोट होने लग गए तो है ना पॉइंट.
Siddharth,
यहाँ
shut
तो
up.
आने तो
Tell Siddharth to shut up. Shut up,
So
Siddharth.
what do you think about, what's your take on that?
What's your take on that, Mr. Nari?
We have an exclusive picture of hers and Ranveer next